Hi, everyone. Welcome to our easy English listening and speaking practice for beginners. Do you want to practice English with us in the countryside today? Fresh air, animals, and a lot of fun.
Come with us. Let's explore nature together with easy English. Let's go.
Let's go. Tom, sorry I'm a little late.
It's okay, Lina. Don't worry. I was just checking my phone.
Did you wait long?
Not really. Maybe 5 minutes?
Oh, good. Thank you for being patient.
Of course. Today is our countryside day. I'm excited.
Me too. I need fresh air. My head feels heavy from city noise.
Same. The countryside will help us relax.
Yes, trees, birds, animals, everything sounds perfect.
And no traffic.
Yes, no cars honking.
Shall we start?
Wait, do you have sunscreen?
No.
Tom, the sun will be strong today.
It's okay. I have my hat.
Fine. Your hat is cute anyway.
Thank you. Okay, according to this map, the countryside is on the north side.
North. Which way is north?
This way. See the arrow?
Oh, I see it now.
Look, we'll walk down this small road, then cross a bridge.
Cross a bridge. Nice. I like bridges.
And then we follow the path until we see green fields.
Simple enough.
Wait, or is it this path?
Tom, are you sure you know?
Maybe?
It's okay. Getting lost is also part of the adventure.
True. And we can always ask someone.
Yes, friendly countryside people.
All right, let's go north.
Captain Tom, lead the way. Okay, let's check our things. Water?
2 bottles.
Snacks?
I have chocolate cookies.
Cookies? You didn't tell me!
Surprise!
Good surprise. I brought apples and bananas.
Great. Healthy food and unhealthy food. Perfect balance.
Yes!
Do you have tissues?
Yes, and hand sanitizer.
Nice. You're always prepared.
I try my best.
Do we need a small towel?
Oh, yes. I forgot. Do you have one?
Yep. Here.
Thanks, Tom.
No problem. We are a team today.
Listen, it's getting quieter.
Yes. The city sounds are behind us now.
I can hear birds already.
Really? I need to walk closer.
You always hear cars more than birds.
True. I'm a city boy.
I like both city and countryside. They feel different.
Same here. But nature feels more peaceful.
Look at the sky. It's so blue today.
Yes, and the clouds look soft.
I'm happy already.
Me too. Good start.
Here it is, the bridge from the map.
It's so cute, like in a movie.
Yes, but be careful. The wood looks old.
Okay, I'll walk slowly. Eek, did it move?
Don't worry, it's safe.
I feel like I'm in an adventure game.
Level 1. Cross the bridge.
Level complete.
Good job, Lina.
Wow,
This is beautiful.
I feel like the world just opened.
The air is so fresh.
And look at those hills.
They look soft, like green pillows.
And the wind, it feels clean.
Let's take a moment.
This is perfect. Tom, photo time.
Already?
Always.
Okay. Where do you want to stand?
Here, with the flowers behind me.
All right. Ready?
Yes, cheese.
Perfect. Want a video too?
No, my hair is messy.
It looks fine.
Fine, one short video.
All right. Hello, everyone. Lina is enjoying nature.
Yes, and Tom is teasing me.
Cows.
Aw, they're so cute.
They look very relaxed.
I want to say hi.
Okay, but slowly.
Hello, cow friends. Oh, it's looking at me.
Maybe it likes you.
Maybe it thinks I have food.
Do you?
Only bananas. But cows don't like bananas, right?
I don't think so.
Goodbye, cows.
Let's go meet the chickens next.
Yes, I love chickens. They're funny.
Let's rest for a bit.
Yes, my legs need a break.
This shade feels amazing.
Listen, the leaves are making a soft sound.
Like they're whispering.
Yes, whispering. Relax, relax.
I believe it.
I feel peaceful here.
Same. Nature is the best place to clear the mind.
Okay, Tom, apple or banana?
Apple, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you want cookies?
Yes, just one.
Here, one big one.
Tom, that's not one.
It's one big cookie.
Fine.
This is a perfect picnic.
Yes, simple food tastes better in nature.
Look at that cloud. It looks like a fish.
I think it looks like a shoe.
A shoe? Again?
Yes, it has a heel.
Okay. What about that one?
A rabbit.
I see it.
And that one is like a dragon.
Ooh, yes. Cloud dragon.
This is fun.
Free entertainment from the sky.
These plants are tall.
They almost reached your shoulders.
Are there bugs here?
Probably.
Tom!
Don't worry, they're friendly bugs.
I don't trust friendly bugs.
Okay, let's walk slowly.
You go first.
Yes, Captain Lina.
Good soldier. Tom, look. So many wildflowers.
Wow, they're bright and colorful.
Can I take one? Just one?
Yes, but just one.
Okay. I'll choose the prettiest one.
It looks nice in your hair.
Really?
Yes, you look like a countryside princess.
Stop teasing me.
I'm not teasing.
Okay, thank you. This water is so clear.
I can see fish swimming.
They're so fast.
Maybe they're playing.
I love this place.
Me too. It feels simple and peaceful.
Nature is amazing.
Yes, we should come back again.
Promise?
Promise. Wow, the sky is orange now.
Sunset is so beautiful here.
Today was great.
Yes, I feel relaxed and happy.
Thank you for coming with me.
Thank you too, Tom. You're a good partner for nature trips.
Let's come again soon.
Yes, next time, maybe we can camp.
Oh, wow. Camping?
Don't worry, I'll bring everything.
Okay, then I'll bring the cookies.
Deal.
Thanks for spending time with us today. If you enjoyed this natural English conversation, please like this video and subscribe to join us for more fun lessons. Your support really helps our channel grow. And before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what do you enjoy most? Animals, birds, or countryside life?